Welcome. If you want to set up screen lock in your VIVO Y11s, let's go for the settings. Right now we have to go for the lock screen and the wallpaper. We have to go for the security, then tap on the screen lock, and currently we set up the swipe, so we can change it for the simple pattern. Draw pattern, click next, and draw it one more time. Click confirm. And right now we can manage notifications on the lock screen, but I'm going to leave it like that. After that we can lock device and unlock by power button, and then as you can see we are able to input our new lock method. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.